Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. And today we are going to make a Python program to find the count of a given character in a string. Okay, so first I will take a variable string1 equal to and take it string as the input, enter string here, and here I will take a character input, the whatever we are going to find the count of that character. Okay, here we are going to input of that character, so take that character ch equal to input, enter char here. Okay, so now here I will take a for loop for I in str1. Okay, now we are going to check every element of str1, is it equal to ch? If it is equal to ch, then I will update a value which is initialized here with 0, like n is initialized with 0. So here in this for loop I will write if ch is equal to I, means if cs is equal to I means any character of str1. If it is equal to I, then we will update this n by 1, n plus 1. Okay, so here outside this for loop we will just print this n. It will gives us the count of this character ch in this is str1. So let's run the code. Take input gwd and here write a character o. How many times o come in this string? Two times, so enter 2. Okay, take another value like g, only one time, so 1. Take anything, enter. Here I will add n, so how many times n is coming in this string? Only one time, so enter 1. Okay, take like z, run z. There is nothing in this string. Okay, z is not in this string, so enter 0. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.